लेट्स प्रैक्टिस इंग्लिश विद मी। मुझे अपना हाथ दो। गिव मी योर हैंड। गिव मी योर हैंड। उसने गुब्बारा फोड़ दिया। ही पॉप्ड द बलून। ही पॉप्ड द बलून। तुम यहीं रुको, मैं अभी आई। यू स्टे हियर, I'll be right back. You stay here, I'll be right back. जल्दी से तैयार हो जाओ। Get dressed quickly. Get dressed quickly. ध्यान से, बोतल मुंह तक भरा है। Be careful. The bottle is full to the brim. Be careful. The bottle is full to the brim. आम का रस निकालो। Squeeze the juice out of the mango. Squeeze the juice out of the mango. पंखा लगा दो। Install the fan. Install the fan. पंखा उतार दो। Remove the fan. Remove the fan. बदतमीजी मत करो। Don't be insolent. Don't be insolent. हाथ पूछ लो। Wipe your hands. Wipe your hands. सुबह हो गई है। It's morning. It's morning. नाश्ता लगा दो। Serve the breakfast. Serve the breakfast. वैसे नाश्ते में क्या है? Well, what is for breakfast? Well, what is for breakfast? आपका दिन शुभ हो। Have a nice day. Have a nice day. मुझे आपसे बात करनी है। I want to talk to you. I want to talk to you. मैं किसी का इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ। I am waiting for somebody. I am waiting for somebody. तुम्हें समझ में आया उसने क्या कहा? Did you understand what he said? Did you understand what he said? मुझे ठंड लग रही है। I am cold. I am cold. एक कप कॉफ़ी पियोगे? Would you like a cup of coffee? Would you like a cup of coffee? वह तुम्हारी चुगली कर रहा था। He was backbiting you. He was backbiting you. तुम बस अपना काम करते जाओ। You just keep doing your job. You just keep doing your job. सॉल्यूशन खुद ब खुद निकल आएगा। The solution will find its way. The solution will find its way. कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है। I can't think of anything. I can't think of anything. चलो कुछ सोचते हैं। Let's just think of something. Let's just think of something. यही तो मैं कह रहा हूँ। That's what I am saying. That's what I am saying. मैं तुम्हारी जैसी नहीं हूँ। I am not like you. I am not like you. मुझे देर हो गई है। I am getting late. ऐसा गलती से हुआ. It happened by mistake. It happened by mistake. ऐसा तुक्के से हुआ. It happened by chance. It happened by chance. थोड़ा खिसकिए. Kindly move a bit. Kindly move a bit. क्या मैं बैठ सकता हूँ? May I sit? May I sit? जरा हाथ लगाना. Lend me your hand. Lend me your hand. घिसी पीटी बातें मत करो. Don't talk rubbish. Don't talk rubbish. नल किसने खुला छोड़ दिया? Who left the tap open? Who left the tap open? नल उसने खुला छोड़ा था. He left the tap open. He left the tap open. तुमने नल खुला क्यों छोड़ा? Why did you leave the tap open? Why did you leave the tap open? तुम ऐसा कैसे कर सकते हो? How can you do this? How can you do this? यह मुश्किल लगता है. It sounds hard. It sounds hard. यह आसान लगता है. It sounds easy. It sounds easy. यह अच्छा लगता है. It sounds good. It sounds good. यह अजीब लगता है. It sounds weird. It sounds weird. यह डरावना लगता है. It sounds scary. It sounds scary. वह पढ़ने का नाटक कर रहा है. He is pretending to read. He is pretending to read. मुझे पता है तुम खुश होने का नाटक कर रहे हो. I know you are pretending to be happy. I know you are pretending to be happy. बहुत से लोग अमीर होने का नाटक करते हैं. Many people pretend to be rich. Many people pretend to be rich. वह हमेशा व्यस्त होने का नाटक करता है. He always pretend to be busy. He always pretend to be busy. बीमार होने का नाटक मत करो. Don't pretend to be ill. Don't pretend to be ill. यह किसका घर है? Whose house is it? Whose house is it? यह किसका बैग है? Whose bag is it? Whose bag is it? यह किसका नंबर है? Whose number is it? Whose number is it? यह किसकी शर्ट है? Whose shirt is it? Whose shirt is it? मुझे तुमसे बात नहीं करनी. I don't want to talk to you. I don't want to talk to you. मुझे बहुत बातें करनी है. I have a lot to talk about. I have a lot to talk about. मैं बस मजाक कर रहा था. I was just kidding. I was just kidding. मैं काम में लगा हुआ था. I was into some work. I was into some work. वह हमें छुप छुप कर देख रही है. She is sneaking out at us. She is sneaking out at us. आजकल स्वार्थ का जमाना है. Selfishness is common these days. Selfishness is common these days. वह मीठी छुरी है. He is a glib talker. He is a glib talker. वह बहुत तेज भी है. He is street smart too. He is street smart too. अरे तुम तो किस्मत वाले हो. You are one lucky duck. You are one lucky duck. मैंने तो तुक्का लगाया था. I gave a shot in dark. I gave a shot in dark. भलाई का तो जमाना ही नहीं है. We are living in a thankless world. We are living in a thankless world. वह बात बात पर झूठ बोलता है. He is a compulsive liar. He is a compulsive liar. उससे कुछ भी करा लो, वह सब कुछ कर सकता है. He is jack of all trades. He is jack of all trades. कोई नहीं बचेगा. No one will be spared. No one will be spared. लड़ने की वजह मत ढूंढो. Don't find the reason of fighting. Don't find the reason of fighting. जो कुछ हुआ उसे भूल जाओ. Forget that whatever happened. Forget that whatever happened. तुम इतना बर्दाश्त क्यों करते हो? Why do you tolerate so much? Why do you tolerate so much? तुम इतना भाव क्यों खाते हो? Why do you act pricey so much? Why do you act pricey so much? वह इतना परेशान क्यों होता है? Why does he worry so much? Why does he worry so much? वे लोग इतना जलते क्यों हैं? Why do they feel jealous so much? Why do they feel jealous so much? चोरी चुपके से वह यहाँ आया. He came here by the back door. He came here by the back door. चोरी चुपके से मैं जा रहा हूँ. I am going by the back door. I am going by the back door. चोरी चुपके से हमने खाना खाया. We ate by the back door. We ate by the back door. तुम मुझे गलत समझ रहे हो. You are taking me wrong. You are taking me wrong. वह मुझे गलत समझ रहा है. He is taking me wrong. He is taking me wrong. वह अभी भी गुस्से में है। He is still angry. He is still angry. चुप रहने में ही भलाई है। It is good to remain silent. It is good to remain silent. यह तो मेरे बाएं हाथ का खेल है। It is a piece of cake for me. It is a piece of cake for me. मेरे फ़ोन पर स्क्रैच पड़ गया है। My phone has got a scratch. My phone has got a scratch. आज मेरा बटुआ खो गया। I lost my wallet today. I lost my wallet today. मैं अंग्रेजी सीख चुका हूँ। I would have learnt English. I would have learnt English. मैं वहाँ जा चुका होता। I would have gone there. I would have gone there. मैं उससे मिल चुका होता। I would have met him. I would have met him. हो गया। It's done. It's done. मैं क्लास में फर्स्ट आती हूँ। I stand first in class. I stand first in class. वो क्लास में सेकंड आता है। He stands second in class. He stands second in class. चाहे जो हो जाए मैं ऐसा नहीं करूँगा। Come what may, I'll not do so. Come what may, I'll not do so. किसी भी कीमत पर मैं वहाँ नहीं जाऊँगा। I'll not go there at any cost. I'll not go there at any cost. वह आने ही वाला है। He is about to come. He is about to come. समय कैसे काटूं? How to pass the time. How to pass the time. ये सस्ते कपड़े हैं। These are cheap clothes. These are cheap clothes. ये कपड़े ज़्यादा दिन तक नहीं टिकने वाले। These clothes are not going to stay long. These clothes are not going to stay long. अब 4 महीने हो गए हैं। It's been 4 months now. It's been 4 months now. मुझे मौत से डर नहीं लगता। I'm not afraid of death. I'm not afraid of death. मुझे ऊंचाई से डर लगता है। I am afraid of height. I am afraid of height. मुझे ये करवाना है। I have to get it done. I have to get it done. तुम्हारे दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है? What is going on in your mind? What is going on in your mind? आज के बाद मुझसे कभी मत मिलना। Don't ever see me again. Don't ever see me again. या फिर never see me again भी आप बोल सकते हो। आज के बाद मुझे कभी फ़ोन मत करना। Don't ever call me again. Don't ever call me again. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस है मुझे सताओ मत। डोंट अनोय मी। डोंट अनोय मी। मुझसे बहस मत करो। डोंट आर्ग्यू विद मी। डोंट आर्ग्यू विद मी। यह एक अफवाह है। दिस इज अ रूमर। दिस इज अ रूमर। गलती से हो गया, इसे आप बोलोगे इट हैपेंड बाय मिस्टेक। इट हैपेंड बाय मिस्टेक। नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस है, इससे क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है? What difference does it make? What difference does it make? इससे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता। It doesn't make any difference. It doesn't make any difference. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस है, अपने काम से काम रखो। Mind your own business. Mind your own business. क्या तुम्हें बाइक चलानी आती है? Do you know how to ride a bike? Do you know how to ride a bike? क्या तुम्हें कार चलानी आती है? Do you know how to drive a car? Do you know how to drive a car? मुझे ये वापस करना है। I want to return this. I want to return this. वह घर नहीं जा पाया। He couldn't go home. He couldn't go home. क्या तुम्हें पानी चाहिए? Do you need water? Do you need water? उसे उधार चाहिए। He needs to borrow the money. He needs to borrow the money. उसने उधार लिया। He borrowed the money. He borrowed the money. उनके जाने के बाद हमने खाना खाया। We had taken the food after they left. We had taken the food after they left. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस है, कोई आया अभी तक? Has anybody come yet? Has anybody come yet? कोई नहीं आया। Nobody has come. Nobody has come. जाकर उससे पैसे ले आओ। Go and get the money from him. Go and get the money from him. पूरे पैसे क्यों नहीं लौटाए उसने? Why didn't he return the whole amount? तुम सुबह से यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? What have you been doing here since morning? What have you been doing here since morning? मैं तो अपना काम कर रहा हूँ। I have been doing my work. I have been doing my work. मुझे खुद पर भरोसा है। I believe in myself. I believe in myself. मुझे तुम पर भरोसा नहीं है। I don't believe in you. I don't believe in you. मुझे तुम्हारी बात पर रत्ती भर भी भरोसा नहीं है। I don't believe you a bit. I don't believe you a bit. क्या तुम साथ आओगे? Will you come along? Will you come along? उसने देखने तक की कोशिश नहीं की। He didn't even try to see. He didn't even try to see. क्या तुमने मेरे लिए कभी कुछ किया है? Have you ever done anything for me? Have you ever done anything for me? खाना परोस दो। Serve the food. Serve the food. उसने गलती कर दी। She has made a mistake. She has made a mistake. या फिर She has mistaken. मुझे बाद में याद दिला देना। Remind me later. Remind me later. ठीक है, याद दिला दूँगा। Okay, I will remind you. Okay, I will remind you. आपका चेहरा मुझे किसी की याद दिलाता है। इसे आप कहोगे योर फेस रिमाइंड्स मी ऑफ समवन। योर फेस रिमाइंड्स मी ऑफ समवन। नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस है पेन से लिखो। राइट विथ अ पेन। राइट विथ अ पेन। उसके पास क्या क्या है? What all does he have? What all does he have? नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस है जो भी तुम्हारे पास है मुझे दे दो। इसे आप कहोगे गिव मी वट एवर यू हैव। गिव मी वट एवर यू हैव। तुम्हें ये कहाँ मिला? वेयर डिड यू गेट दिस? वेयर डिड यू गेट दिस? इसमें इतना क्या खास है? What is so special in it? What is so special in it? आप ऑफिस कैसे जाते हैं? How do you go to office? साइकिल से। By bicycle. By bicycle. मैं तुमसे बहुत नाराज हूँ। I am very angry with you. I am very angry with you. मैं तुमसे बहुत खुश हूँ। I am very happy with you. I am very happy with you. फिर कब मिलेंगे? When will we meet again? When will we meet again? मैंने हमेशा तुम्हारा साथ दिया है। I've always stood by you. I've always stood by you. क्या तुम मुझ पर उंगली उठा रहे हो? Are you pointing the finger at me? Are you pointing the finger at me? झूठ मत बोलो। Don't lie. Don't lie या फिर don't tell a lie. क्या तुमने मुझसे झूठ बोला? Did you lie to me? Did you lie to me? तुम उसे गुमराह कर रहे हो। You are misleading him. You are misleading him या फिर you are misguiding him. चलो फिल्म देखने चलते हैं। Let's go for a movie. Let's go for a movie. क्या तुमने रिया से बात की? Did you talk to Riya? Did you talk to Riya? क्या क्या? What all? What all? कितने समय तक? For how long? For how long? हमेशा के लिए? Forever? Forever? आधे से ज़्यादा? More than half? More than half? नहीं तो क्या? Or what? Or what? उसे नीचे रखो। Put that down. Put that down. सीधे चलते रहो। Keep going straight. Keep going straight. यह किस बारे में है? What's this about? What's this about? ऐसा कौन करता है? Who does that? Who does that? एक और ले लो। Take another. Take another. बिल्कुल नहीं। No way. No way. फिर भी। Even so. Even so. धीरे चलो। Walk slowly. Walk slowly. फिलहाल, for now, for now, उसके बाद, after that, after that, जल्दी करो, do it soon, do it soon, मेरे पास रहो, stay close to me, stay close to me, एक रास्ता है, there is a way, there is a way, फिर क्या, then what, then what, अपनी आंखें बंद रखो, keep your eyes closed, keep your eyes closed, मैंने अपना मन बदल लिया, I changed my mind, I changed my mind, तुम्हें क्या लगता है, what do you think, what do you think, मैं बस इतना ही जानता हूँ, that's all I know, that's all I know, क्या कोई समस्या है, is there a problem, is there a problem, ज़्यादा समय नहीं लगेगा, it won't take long, it won't take long, शायद किसी दिन, maybe someday, maybe someday, बस ऐसा ही कुछ, something like that, something like that, तुम क्या सोच रहे हो, what are you thinking, what are you thinking, यह फिर से नहीं होगा, it won't happen again, it won't happen again, सीधे वापस आओ, come straight back, come straight back, यह फिर से हुआ, it happened again, it happened again, कोई नहीं जानता, no one knows, no one knows, यह कितनी दूर है, how far away is it, how far away is it, तुमने मुझे सच में डरा दिया, you really scared me, you really scared me, मैं यह अकेले करूँगा, I will do it alone, I will do it alone, मैंने अपना वादा निभाया, I kept my promise, I kept my promise, आपने सही फैसला लिया, you made the right choice, you made the right choice, ज़्यादा समय नहीं है। There isn't much time. There isn't much time. यह आसान नहीं था। That was not easy. That was not easy. हम कहाँ से शुरू करें? Where do we start? Where do we start? हम उसे कैसे ढूंढेंगे? How do we find her? How do we find her? वो ही एक तरीका है। That's the only way. That's the only way. तुम्हारा क्या सुझाव है? What do you suggest? What do you suggest? तुम क्या चाहते हो? What do you want? What do you want? तुम कैसे भूल सकते हो? How could you forget? How could you forget? तुम्हारी जिंदगी खतरे में है। Your life is in danger. Your life is in danger. तुम अब आज़ाद हो। You are free now. You are free now. यह सब ठीक हो जाएगा। It's all be okay. It's all be okay. मुझे सब कुछ बताओ। Tell me everything. Tell me everything. तुम बहुत बदतमीज हो गए हो। You have become very rude. You have become very rude. तुम बहुत मोटी हो गई हो। You have become very fat. You have become very fat. तुम बहुत कामचोर हो गए हो। You have become very shirker. You have become very shirker. तुम बहुत मतलबी हो गए हो। You have become very selfish. You have become very selfish. मैंने यह जानबूझकर नहीं किया। I did not knowingly do it. I did not knowingly do it. उसने जानबूझकर मुझे पीटा। He knowingly beat me. He knowingly beat me. उसने मुझे जानबूझकर धक्का दिया। He knowingly pushed me. He knowingly pushed me. इसे मिटा दो। Rub it out. Rub it out. कहानी को पढ़कर सुनाओ। Read out the story. Read out the story. तुम्हें जमकर पढ़ाई करनी चाहिए। You should swat. You should swat. मैंने जो चाहा मुझे मिला। I got whatever I wanted. I got whatever I wanted. तुम अंदर क्यों नहीं आते? Why don't you come in? Why don't you come in? तुम्हारी खासियत क्या है? What is your quality? What is your quality? वह खांस रहा है। He is coughing. He is coughing. वह खराटे मार रहा है। He is snoring. He is snoring. नया क्या है? What's new? What's new? सब कुछ कैसा है? How's everything? How's everything? मैं तुमसे कुछ पूछ रहा हूँ। I'm asking you something. I'm asking you something. नमस्ते। हेलो। हेलो। आप जल्दी उठ गए। You woke up early. You woke up early. आज मुझे कहीं जाना है। I have to go somewhere today. I have to go somewhere today. आपको कहाँ जाना है? Where do you have to go? Where do you have to go? कब जाना है? When do you have to go? When do you have to go? आप किसके साथ जाओगे? With whom will you go? With whom will you go? मेरा वक्त बर्बाद मत करो। Don't waste my time. Don't waste my time. यह मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ। I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this. यह मैं नहीं कर रहा था। I was not doing this. I was not doing this. क्या तुम इसे कर रहे थे? Were you doing this? Were you doing this? उसे अलविदा कहो। Say goodbye to him. Say goodbye to him. आप यहाँ क्यों आए हैं? Why have you come here? Why have you come here? मुझे आपसे मिलना था। I had to meet you. I had to meet you. बहुत समय हो गया। It's been a long time. It's been a long time. वह पड़ोस में रहता है। He lives in the neighborhood. He lives in the neighborhood. क्या आप उसे जानते हैं? Do you know him? Do you know him? मैं उसे अच्छे से जानता हूँ। I know him well. I know him well. खिड़की खोलो। Open the window. Open the window. मुझे थोड़ा पानी चाहिए। I need some water. I need some water. क्या तुम मेरी मदद कर सकते हो? Can you help me? Can you help me? बस 1 मिनट रुको। Just wait a minute. Just wait a minute. इसे वहाँ रख दो। Put it over there. Put it over there. मुझे वह समझ में आ गया. I understood that. I understood that. क्या तुम मुझे सुन सकते हो? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? यह कितने का है? How much is this? How much is this? कृपया धीरे बोलिए. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. अभी नहीं, बाद में. Not now, later. Not now, later. यहाँ बैठ जाओ. Sit here. Sit here. मुझे पसंद नहीं है. I don't like this. I don't like this. क्या तुम्हें प्यास लगी है? Are you thirsty? Are you thirsty? उसे मत छुओ. Don't touch that. Don't touch that. जल्दी करो, हमें देर हो रही है. Hurry up, we are getting late. Hurry up, we are getting late. यह कब तक चलेगा? How long will this take? How long will this take? कृपया दरवाज़ा बंद कर दो. Please close the door. Please close the door. तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? मुझे वहाँ जाना है. I need to go there. I need to go there. क्या तुम मुझे जगह दिखा सकते हो? Can you show me the place? Can you show me the place? मैं यह करने में सक्षम नहीं हूँ. I am not able to do this. I am not able to do this. कृपया थोड़ा सब्र करें. Please be patient. Please be patient. मैं यह समझ नहीं पा रहा हूँ. I don't understand this. I don't understand this. तुम कैसा महसूस कर रहे हो? How are you feeling now? How are you feeling now? मुझे और समय चाहिए. I need more time. I need more time. यह रास्ता बंद है. This road is closed. This road is closed. मैं तैयार हो रहा हूँ. I am getting ready. I am getting ready. क्या तुम्हारे पास पेन है? Do you have a pen? Do you have a pen? हमें और जानकारी चाहिए. We need more information. We need more information. यह रास्ता कहाँ जाता है? Where does this road go? Where does this road go? क्या यह सही समय है? Is this the right time? Is this the right time? मुझे एक गिलास पानी चाहिए. I need a glass of water. I need a glass of water. कृपया यहाँ रुकिए. Please stop here. Please stop here. मैं इसे नहीं ढूंढ पा रहा हूँ. I can't find it. I can't find it. यह कैसे काम करता है? How does this work? How does this work? कृपया इसे ठीक कर दीजिए. Please fix this. Please fix this. मुझे उससे बात करनी है. I need to talk to him. I need to talk to him. इसे यहाँ मत छोड़ो. Don't leave this here. Don't leave this here. क्या तुम मेरे साथ चलोगे? Will you come with me? Will you come with me? मुझे अभी जाना होगा. I have to go now. I have to go now. इसे और साफ करो. Clean this more. Clean this more. तुमने खाना खा लिया? Did you eat? Did you eat? इसे बदल दो. Change it. Change it. यह किसका है? Whose is this? Whose is this? बस थोड़ी देर और. Just a little longer. Just a little longer. क्या तुम यह कर सकते हो? Can you do this? Can you do this? यहाँ बहुत शोर है. It's very noisy here. It's very noisy here. मुझे आराम की ज़रूरत है. I need to rest. I need to rest. यह बहुत हल्का है. It is very light. It is very light. कृपया इंतज़ार कीजिए. Please wait. Please wait. मुझे यह समझाइए. Explain this to me. Explain this to me. इसे यहाँ लाओ. Bring it here. Bring it here. हमें और वक्त चाहिए. We need more time. We need more time. यह काफ़ी अच्छा है. This is quite good. This is quite good. मैंने तुम्हें पुकारा था. I called you. I called you. वह तुम्हें पुकार रहा था. He was calling you. He was calling you. उसने तुम्हें कई बार पुकारा. He called you many times. He called you many times. क्या तुम ठीक नहीं हो? Are you not okay? Are you not okay? वापस कर दो. Give it back. Give it back. यहाँ से सीधे जाओ. Go straight from here. Go straight from here. क्या यह सही है? Is this correct? Is this correct? अब मेरी बारी है. It's my turn now. It's my turn now. यहाँ बहुत गर्मी है. It's very hot here. It's very hot here. वह किस समय आएगा? What time will he come? What time will he come? क्या यह दूर है? Is it far? Is it far? इसे उठाओ. Pick this up. Pick this up. हमें जल्दी करनी चाहिए. We need to hurry. We need to hurry. मुझे चुप रहना है. I need to be quiet. I need to be quiet. तुम्हें इसे देखना चाहिए. You should see this. You should see this. मैं आपसे सहमत हूँ. I agree with you. I agree with you. क्या आप मेरे साथ आएंगे? Will you come with me? Will you come with me? तुम्हारा फ़ोन बज रहा है. Your phone is ringing. Your phone is ringing. यह जगह बहुत सुंदर है. This place is very beautiful. This place is very beautiful. मैं थक गया हूँ. I am tired. I am tired. यह बात सच नहीं है. This is not true. This is not true. यह ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. It's okay, no problem. It's okay, no problem. यह कैसे इस्तेमाल करें? How do we use this? How do we use this? वह यहाँ क्यों है? Why is he here? Why is he here? मुझे यह वापस कर दो। Give this back to me. Give this back to me. तुम्हें वहाँ नहीं जाना चाहिए। You should not go there. You should not go there. यह मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा है। This is too big for me. This is too big for me. क्या तुम मेरा इंतज़ार कर सकते हो? Can you wait for me? Can you wait for me? मुझे यह करने की ज़रूरत है। I need to do this. I need to do this. कृपया यहाँ से हट जाओ। Please move away from here. Please move away from here. मुझे यह समझाओ। Explain this to me. Explain this to me. क्या तुम आवाज़ कम कर सकते हो? Can you lower the volume? Can you lower the volume? मैं इसे खरीदना चाहता हूँ। I want to buy this. I want to buy this. क्या यह दर्द होता है? Does this hurt? Does this hurt? मुझे इस पर विश्वास नहीं होता। I can't believe this. I can't believe this. तुम कहाँ से हो? Where are you from? Where are you from? कृपया इसे वापस लाओ। Please bring it back. Please bring it back. मैं खो गया हूँ। I am lost. I am lost. यहाँ शांति है। It is peaceful here. It is peaceful here. क्या तुम मुझे जगह दिखा सकते हो? Can you show me the place? Can you show me the place? मुझे बहुत ठंड लग रही है। I am feeling very cold. I am feeling very cold. इसे यहीं छोड़ दो। Leave it here. Leave it here. मैं अभी आया। I will be right back. I will be right back. क्या तुम इसे समझते हो? Do you understand this? Do you understand this? तुम्हारी मदद की ज़रूरत है। Your help is needed. Your help is needed. मैं इसे पसंद करता हूँ। I like this. I like this. क्या तुम इसे देख सकते हो? Can you see this? Can you see this? यह बहुत दूर है। This is too far. This is too far. मुझे इसकी ज़रूरत है। I need this. I need this. तुम्हें और सोचना चाहिए। You should think more. You should think more. यह कहाँ मिलेगा? Where can I find this? Where can I find this? मैं इसे नहीं चाहता। I don't want this. I don't want this. क्या यह खुला है? Is this open? Is this open? मुझे अब जाना होगा। I must go now. I must go now. इसे संभाल के रखो। Handle this carefully. Handle this carefully. कृपया ध्यान से सुनो। Please listen carefully. Please listen carefully. मुझे जल्दी है। आई एम इन अ हरी। आई एम इन अ हरी। इसे ठीक करना होगा। दिस नीड्स टू बी फिक्स्ड। दिस नीड्स टू बी फिक्स्ड। क्या यह सुरक्षित है? इज दिस सेफ? इज दिस सेफ? मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो। लीव मी अलोन। लीव मी अलोन। यह काफ़ी देर हो चुकी है। इट्स क्वाइट लेट। इट्स क्वाइट लेट। यह बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। दिस लुक्स वेरी गुड। दिस लुक्स वेरी गुड। मैं इसे समझ सकता हूँ। आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड दिस। आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड दिस। यह किस चीज़ की आवाज़ है? वॉट इज़ दिस साउंड? वॉट इज़ दिस साउंड? क्या तुम्हें भी सुनाई दे रही है? कैन यू हियर इट टू? कैन यू हियर इट टू? यहाँ से बहुत आवाज़ आ रही है। देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ नॉइज़ कमिंग फ्रॉम हियर। देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ नॉइज़ कमिंग फ्रॉम हियर। मैं आपसे माफ़ी मांगता हूँ। आई अपोलोजाइज टू यू। आई अपोलोजाइज टू यू। And thank you for watching.